A human rights activist have called on the Nigerian government to obey the judgment of the Ecowas court sitting in Abuja, which ruled that certain provisions of the Nigeria Broadcasting Code violate the right of the freedom of expression. Kemi Foladiemo has details in this report.
A rights group had filed the application against the Ecowas court challenging the use of the Nigerian Broadcasting Code by authorities to arbitrarily impose sanctions, including fines, against broadcast stations, ranging from 50,000 to 5 million naira and above, as well as the revocation of broadcasting licenses. The federal government had argued that the code isn't being used to gag the press or curtail the freedom of expression as alleged, nor contravenes its international obligations. But the Justice Dupe Atoki-led court noted that the controversial Article 311 of the code is infinite in scope and therefore violates Article 9 subsections 1 and 2 of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, and that it could lead to the infringement of the right to the freedom of expression.
NBC will issue a notice to a broadcasting station of an erring conduct, and in that notice communicate penalty without even giving the broadcast station opportunity to be heard. So when you look at that, you cannot be a judge in your own cause.
It has been a repeated, ongoing campaign to whittle down the powers of the media. Without the right to freely express yourself, even as citizens and institutions, there is no democracy.
The government was also ordered to submit to the court within 6 months of the date of notification of this judgment a report on the measures taken to implement its orders.
Nigeria, as a state, being a state party and a signatory to the Ecowas protocol, must respect and give vent to the decision of the Ecowas court.
We are a democratic society, so that's fundamental, to respect rule of law, to respect and protect freedom of expression. And more importantly, because our president is the Ecowas chairman, and I want to believe that this time around, now our nation will lead the Ecowas region by example.
Aside from the ECOWAS court, similar matters are pending across the nation's courts. It is expected that this regional pronouncement will finally rest the controversy on the extent of the Nigeria Broadcasting Commission's powers to regulate media houses. Kemi Foladiemo, TVC News, Lagos.